Has the production of new AI robots piqued your interest? What does it mean for our future? Well, we are now skyrocketing to the era where robots will fully self-replicate and handle all minor human tasks with ease. Welcome to Galore Techs. In this video we'll talk about how robots have now become so advanced that they're making other robots. Subscribe and stay with us until the end. The humble beginnings. In 1960, engineer Joseph Engelberger acquired Devil's robot patent and modified it into an industrial robot. He later laid the foundation of a company called Unimation and started making robots on a larger scale. This company rapidly expanded and gave birth to new ideas in the robotics industry. Engel's efforts and success in the robotics field has deemed him with the title known as the father of robotics. The progression of the robotic industry was fast and it produced robots far beyond our thinking. It has now entered a phase where these robots have the ability to make other robots independently. Through the hard work of dedicated scientists, a feat once thought to be truly unrealistic is now a reality. So much so that there are now forms of self-replicating robots. Self-replicating robots are the holy grail of robotics as they can do anything, and they can even make their own copies. Although this concept is from science fiction, MIT scientists have developed an assembly that has taken us into this future. The era of humans building new robots will soon end as the scientists from the University of Vermont and Tufts University succeeded in creating organisms that reproduce just like organic living beings. They have discovered a new form of biological replication called kinetic replication. These robots are named Xenobots, and to sum them up in a few words, they are literal living programmable organisms. First robotic assembly. MIT Center for Bits and Atoms researchers have developed an assembly that uses multiple robots to work independently and build similar lightweight projects named voxels. Besides voxels, this robot assembly can also make other smaller robots. These robots work efficiently and do not hinder each other while performing duties. The robot assembly is capable of making larger robots too. To describe a voxel, Abdul Rahman, a doctoral student at CBA, explained in a video interaction with Indian Express that these voxels are of cuboctahedral shape as they have 8 triangular and 6 square faces. While self-replicating robots using magnetic connections are their latest invention, CBA is known to make deformable airplane wings and even functional racing cars. This kind of system was mentioned earlier with the same principle used to build larger structures until they reached a certain size. For the robot, meaning large-sized robots were used to construct the smaller ones. Still, this latest system only requires time to build the newest version of itself efficiently. PhD student Amira Abdul Rahman stated, "The robot assembly is free to decide everything, and it makes its own unique choices on whether to build a smaller robot or a larger robot or which specific one should be used in any assembly." The main goal is to apply these insights to robotic assembly and investigate how swarms can construct recursively and hierarchically, while mimicking nature, as the assembly throughput increases with scaling. These voxels can make nearly everything as CBA has started testing them on building cars, aircrafts, buses, ships, and other transport vehicles after their partnership with Oldendorff. These cuboctahedrons used in robot assemblies are made from injection-molded plastic and can be switched out to be used in other voxels of different sizes and compositions. Recently, researchers have started working on making voxels from biocomposites, and they are also working on making the connective system of these voxels more improved for better performance. Tesla's Optimus making other robots. Tesla is advancing in robotics. Tesla is an automotive and energy company known for producing electronic vehicles and roadsters, maintaining energy systems like generation storage and energy consumption as well as solar cell electricity. They provide services across the US, Germany, China, Asia Pacific, and Europe. Now the company is also stepping into the robotic industry and is making mind-blowing progress. Their new robotic humanoid, Optimus, is the talk of the town, with the capability to climb stairs, carry boxes, and walk distances untethered. This robot can also use tools and perform useful tasks by itself, like processing your vision, making last-minute decisions, and even communicating with people. This robot was unveiled on Tesla AI Day on March 23rd, and Elon Musk showcased all the important features and developments of Tesla robots. He clarified its ability to walk, pick and carry items and perform basic tasks to make it behave more like a human. Recently, Optimus was tested and succeeded in making other robots. Picking up things is a general feature of the robot, so it was made to pick up parts and assemble new robots. To the researchers' surprise, the process went well, and an existing one founded a new robot. Robot making baby robots. Cambridge University scientists succeeded in making a robot that can build baby robots. These robots progressively get better at moving without any human intervention, and their only goal is to create a robot that can evolve and adapt to its surroundings. They are introducing robots and assemblers that can be made from the same units. This robotic development is part of a program that aims to develop robots that could be more versatile than their ancestors. Dr. Fumiya Ida is the mechatronic engineer leading this project at Cambridge where these developments were made. Scientists also made xenobots out of frog cells. They designed the cells with a computer and assembled them with their hands. Scientists were stunned to see that after some time, those robots started swimming in the lab dishes, and after some days, they even left the dishes and started replicating themselves. Applications of self-replicating robots. One posing question is what made scientists create these machines? Well, the most compelling application of this technology is space exploration. These robots, in the future, will be able to install solar panels on Mars and could also be helpful in habitat and communication systems. Sending pre-assembled structures is quite difficult, so these robots will help assemble and install processes and send data from space to the systems they will be linked with. Robotic engineers who have come this far are highly skilled and trained to conceive ideas, build designs, and make these robots and other automated devices. These humans spend endless hours working and testing their methods. While doing all this, they frequently discover something new about the movement and functioning of robots. Advancements in AI have allowed robots to learn and process information. Sensors are present inside robotic devices to receive and process data and decide which action they have to perform. The robotic industry is important as it can work even in hazardous environments, thus reducing human dangers. They can even handle toxic tasks repetitively and lift heavy objects. The use of robotics has benefited companies as they have reduced the ratio of accidents and saved power and money too. Do you think robots will take over the world? What kind of robots are you waiting for? Tell us in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more interesting Galore Tech videos. Thanks for watching.